Hello. So in this video, what I have in front of me and what I am going to be discussing about is the Clinique Different Moisturizing Lotion. And let me go ahead and flip it over so you can get a good glimpse of it. I wanted to see if it had the ingredients on the back, but it doesn't, so I'll try to find that as I'm talking. So on the back it actually has the instructions on how to apply it, and if you was to use a set, because this definitely comes in like a really small set, and what you need to do as far as like what's first, what's second, and what's third. And this is actually, I believe this is the third step. Yeah. And this is for from very dry to dry combination skin, and it's dermatologist-developed, and it's 100% fragrance free. So someone that has sensitive skin like I do, I'm really happy that this is definitely for sensitive skin. So I'm trying to figure out where I can like get some of the ingredients, I believe. I don't think I can like find some of the. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so here are the ingredients. Okay, so it works for my skin, and actually I don't know if this was the one, but I remember the lady that helped saying that this is good for removing, like, if you had like dark spots and stuff. But I absolutely love this lotion. It has like a lightweight feel to it. It doesn't leave your face real greasy, but it feels it leaving really moisturized, and that's one of the things that I really love about it. The second thing is that it's fragrance free. You would think that it has some type of scent to it just because of what it looks like, but it has absolutely no fragrance at all. It just makes your face feel really fresh, revived, alive, and so forth. So some information about Clinique. Clinique was founded in 1968 in New York, owned by company Estee Lauder, and founder. So yeah, how I pretty much heard about it is I've actually heard of Clinique a very long time ago, for some years. I've learned that it's one of the makeup brands that you can go to if you do have like sensitive skin and just want to kind of like tone it or kind of like brighten it, or something that you want as far as it can be on a sensitive side, on a natural side. And I know sometimes, I'm not going to put it all in a category, but sometimes older people like Clinique as well. But I've also seen young people, utilize Clinique too, just because of what it specializes in. I only use it every day, but I use it when I feel like my face is really dry, and I only use it like after I wash my face in the morning. I don't use lotion at night just because I feel like, I don't know, I guess since I use a medication on my face for acne, sometimes I kind of just like let that, just let that be. But since when I'm going out and I like to put a lotion on me, I really don't kind of care when I'm going to sleep. And even then, if I have dry skin at night, I'll go over and put like shea butter or whatever. Some people say shea, some people say she. I say shea butter all over my face when I'm going to sleep. That's only if my face is like really dry. I had this for about two months now, So this is something that I've like really frequently used. And I also use another skin product as well, but I'll definitely talk about that, whatever. But it's really easy to use. The size of this is 44, I was going to say 42, 4.2 ounces. And you can see right here is a Clinique as far as for New York, New York. And again, the instructions, and it's really easy to use. You just take the top off, and the lotion's very light. So I'm gonna apply some on my skin right now so you can kind of see. Yeah, it's not really, you ain't gotta do too much. So a good amount comes out in just one pump, and this is how much it is on one pump, and it smooths evenly all over my face, which I'm definitely about to use right now. So this is not going to waste. And it leaves like a nice shine, but not like greasy. So, and around, see, it kind of gives it like nice shine, but not greasy, or not give it like that oily feel. So yeah, I definitely like this Clinique Moisturizing Lotion. I know they have, I think they have a smaller size if you was to get the kit that comes with the, like, I think the cleanser and the toner. Is that what I think it comes with? I don't know. I think I have the kit somewhere, I think. But anyway, this is the Clinique Different Moisturizing Lotion, and your face will definitely feel moisturized.